Mabuhay! I am John Marbutanas from the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. And now, let's explore the plug model of tourist behavior. Let's go! Plug model categorizes travelers into the three main types based on their risk tolerance and desire for novelty in travel experiences.
Firstly, we have allocentrics, adventurous travelers seeking new and unique experiences in less traveled places.
Allocentrics are adventurous travelers who seek new, unique, and often risky experiences. They prefer to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations, engage with local cultures, and try new things.
Second one is the psychocentrics, cautious travelers who prefer familiar destinations and structured experiences.
Psychocentrics are more cautious and prefer familiar, safe, and predictable travel experiences. They tend to stick to well-known destinations, follow established tourist routes, and avoid risks.
Lastly is the midcentric travelers. Midcentrics fall between allocentrics and psychocentrics in terms of risk tolerance and desire for novelty. They seek a balance between familiarity and new experiences, often choosing popular destinations with some elements of adventure.
So what do you think? Do you belong among the three? An allocentric, a psychocentric, or maybe a combination of the two centric? A midcentric. So what do you think you are? Because if you ask me what I am, then let's find it out. Let's go. So based on my experiences, I considered myself as a mid-century traveler because I'm often look for new experiences that offers a blend of exploration, relaxation, and comfort, making it a significant segment of tourism. I love exploring and seeking new experiences and adventure. Besides, I am also a repeater. I love going to places that I've already been visited. That is why I belongs to a mid-century travelers. Thank you.